I've also noticed that our things, mine is a clap and yours is a thigh slap.
Yeah.
You do this and I do this. But yours is a lot better for camera.
Boom, clap, the sound of the video.
The beat goes on. You tried to harmonise then.
I didn't try.
You do
I
it.
succeeded. What are we doing today, Kat?
The whisper challenge. Do you want to explain what the whisper challenge is?
I'd love
for the viewers?
to. So we're going to take it in turns wearing these noise-cancelling headphones. And Kat is going to, okay, I can't hear anything. Kat is going to take some words and phrases out of this trash can and say them to me. And I've got to try and guess what she's saying just from lip reading. Whispering plays no part in this game. I don't know why it's called the whisper challenge.
Why is it called the whisper challenge?
No idea. Then we're going to swap and whoever gets the most wins. And ultimately, we're just trying to raise awareness for Make Some Noise.
Make Some Noise is PopBuzz's charity that helps disadvantaged children, young people and their families across the UK.
All the projects Make Some Noise funds support children, young people and their families living with illness, disability or lack of opportunity.
That's why today we're making some noise, even if Benedict can't understand what I'm saying.
Yes, I can never understand what you're saying, and today we're going to make it worse. This is the PopBuzz guide to making some noise.
Woo! Noise! You could have joined in.
I could have. Do the whispering. Noise has been cancelled. I'm going to turn that on, but I'm going to engage the getter, the David getter. So let's see if I can get her what she's saying, that is. Music, engage. Oh, so much louder.
Okay.
I think I know what that is. Is that sk? The beat is dropping and it's a lot.
Oh. Shelfie Belfie.
I think I know what this is.
No!
Is it Shelfie Belfie?
Yes. Jojo Siwa.
Jojo Siwa?
Bloody hell, Benedict! You just growled. Did you hear that?
What?
Billie Eilish.
Pilargi.
Billie Eilish.
Penis?
Billie Eilish.
Pillage. Village.
Billie Eilish.
Oh, Billie Eilish. I wasn't Pilargi.
Pilargi.
Am I yelling? I can't tell.
Scorpatumana.
Dobba.
Scorpatumana.
Stop. What? Can you keep?
This is your last go.
Chicago.
Scorpatumana.
Stop the moving.
Scorpatumana.
Oh, that's.
I didn't know how to say it. Impeachment.
Peach Beach.
What is a peach beach?
Mario Kart.
Impeachment.
Penis?
Impeachment.
Oh, impeachment. Who's that chick?
Who's that chick? Clout wife.
12?
Clout wife.
Cloud 12. Klaus. Clown. I really think it's Cloud 12.
So your final answer?
What is PopBuzz like? Riverdale.
Clout wife.
I don't know what a clout
What
wife
is a clout wife?
The singing's so good.
Put
We'll lose our
this
ad.
in there. The litter.
The litter.
Yes!
Cat's fan group, the litter.
Muggy, I did not call them that. They're not fans, they're friends. Make some noise.
The bitch boy.
Of all the ones. Make some noise.
Make some noise.
Well done. Nice.
Which is Global's
You're
charity.
very good at this. Sorry,
Yeah.
I interrupted you
I
while
was
you were
trying to
plugging
plug the charity. You know what else is really good? Global's Make Some Noise, a wonderful charity that helps people out. It's not a joke. Please give money to make some noise. That was awkward.
You're making it sound like a joke. Ego.
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 Eager.
Ego.
Eagle.
Ego.
Eagle. E-girl.
Yeah, but he had so many tries.
I think that's half a point at best.
Oh, I got eagle. Right.
That's it. You actually did very well. You got 5.5.
Thank you very much.
5.5 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Pretty good.
5.25.
All right, time for round 2. Cat's bopping out. I got the fun words. TikTok.
TikTok.
Damn it. She's going to get this immediately. Anna, ooh.
Do it again.
Anna, ooh.
Anna, ooh.
Ah, very good. Shamila.
Jambalaya.
Shamila.
Shakira.
No, close. Not quite. Shamila.
Camilla.
Close. Shamila.
Jarilla.
It was Shamila, the couple name of Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello.
What is that?
It's the couple name of Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello.
You mean it wasn't jambalaya?
The rat.
Curtains.
The rat.
Thermos.
The rat.
The rat.
Damn it! It's doing really well.
Obviously, they're all PopBuzz related. Why would it be thermos?
Kris Jenner.
Christians.
Oh, I really thought she was going to get it in one there. Kris Jenner.
Kris Jenner. Was it Kris
Yeah.
Jenner? Obviously, I'd get that though.
Screaming.
Dreamy.
Not quite. Screaming.
Creamy.
Screaming.
Creaming.
Screaming.
Screaming.
Yes. Oh, I gave her too many chances. That's half a point. It was screaming.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Wasn't
though.
creaming.
I got the eeming.
Yeah.
It was just the, what's the word? Not a vowel, but a consonant.
That's right. A consonant.
Consonants at the start. I couldn't quite.
Didn't get the
grasp.
consonant there, no. Consonant, you idiot.
It's gonna start.
Lil Nas X.
Lanata.
Lil Nas X.
Linseed.
Little Nas X.
Lanette.
I'm gonna give her one more. Lil Nas X.
Lil Nas X.
Say. Christian Girl Autumn.
Christians are awesome.
Christian Girl Autumn.
Christian girl orgasm.
Yes. Yes, you did it. No.
What is going on? Maybe it's not Christian. Christmas is
It is
awesome.
Christian. Christmas is awesome.
Christian girls.
Autumn.
Autumn.
Yes.
Christian girl autumn. Sorry, what the is Christian girl
I think
autumn?
it's the opposite of hot girl summer. You go from hot girl summer to Christian girl autumn. Visco girl.
Feces.
Visco girl.
Feet and toes.
Visco girl.
Feet girl.
A lot of feet on the brain for Cat today. Visco girl.
Vicious girl.
Visco girl.
VSCO girl.
I was saying Visco.
Oh, that's a photo app, isn't it?
Yeah. Someone's up on their PopBuzz. Whew. Whew.
You.
Whew.
Will you?
Whew.
Oh my god! Is it woo?
Whew.
Woo.
Well, what a bloody whisper challenge that was.
Would have thought we would have been so good.
Great game, Cat. Congrats on winning.
Thank you.
Cat got a score and so did I.
I got 7.5.
Yeah.
7.5, and Benedict got 5.
5.5
5.
out of 10. But
Five-
the real winner
5 and a
today
quarter.
is Make Some Noise.
Absolutely. And if you would like to donate to Make Some Noise, just head on over to popbuzz.com.
Give a little.
Cheers to that. Oh,
Hey, hey, Cat.
yeah.
I hear that.
Woo.
Let's have one more round.
Presidential campaign.
Precious handbag. President. The rat. Clapping and burping.
Lapdog, puppy.